Did you know that most online side hustles people are hyping up might actually be a waste of your time? In this video, I'm breaking down the top outdated side hustles you should definitely avoid. Side hustle number 1, rain videos. Let's begin with an outdated side hustle, rain videos. If you've watched side hustle content, you've probably seen tutorials explaining how to make money by uploading rain videos to YouTube. These videos are straightforward. They simply show rain with ambient rain sounds. Many people enjoy using them as background noise, and the potential earnings can be surprising. With view counts ranging from 200,000 to 1 million, YouTube typically pays creators in the monetization program between $3.30 to $4.40 per 1,000 views, RPM. So, at an average RPM of $4, a rain video could earn around $800,000 with high viewership. Tutorials are correct in saying that these videos have significant earning potential. The process recommended in tutorials is direct to the point. You download royalty-free rain videos, images, and sounds from sites like Pixabay, then edit and loop them into long videos. You can replicate this method to create other ambient videos, like those featuring blizzards or forests. Some videos have even garnered over 26 million views, which is incredible. However, this approach has a major downside due to YouTube's updated monetization policies. According to the reused content policy, if you use content from other sources without adding meaningful changes, such as commentary or educational value, your video risks being demonetized. Additionally, YouTube's repetitious content policy prevents monetization of videos that follow a repetitive template. Many creators following this tutorial reach YouTube's monetization threshold only to be rejected due to one or both of these policies. That said, creating ambiance videos as a side hustle isn't always unsuccessful. A great example of a monetized channel in this niche is Stardust Vibes. Their popular rain video, with over 20 million views, wasn't made from stock footage. It was recorded by the creator, who captures hours of footage personally. So, if you're interested in this side hustle, you can succeed, but using your own original recordings is key to avoiding demonetization. Side hustle number 2, blank books. Let's look at the next outdated online business, blank books. This side hustle, often featured in YouTube tutorials, involves creating and selling blank journals or diaries where the buyer fills in the content. Known as blank books, these can have minimal content, like lined pages or prompts, and are popular among Amazon customers. Tools like KDP Spy reveal that some journals can generate tens of thousands of dollars each month. Plus, Amazon KDP makes it easy to self-publish, allowing sellers to list digital versions on Kindle and use print on demand to offer physical copies. Designing these books is straightforward with apps like Canva. Blank books are profitable and simple to create, but recent changes in Amazon's KDP policies have made it tougher for new sellers. About a year ago, Amazon announced that blank books, or low-content books, would no longer receive a free ISBN, which is an essential identifier used by libraries and bookstores. Usually, Amazon provides this ISBN for free, which is beneficial, as buying one independently costs $125 in the US. Now, however, blank books don't qualify for the free ISBN. Although they can still be sold as ebooks without an ISBN, physical copies require one, and few people are interested in blank ebooks. Paying for an ISBN could work for those confident in competing against over 70,000 other journals on Amazon, but many hesitate to risk the cost given the competition. On the bright side, medium content ebooks like coloring books still qualify for a free ISBN. Coloring books remain popular on Amazon KDP, but this market is now crowded, with more than 60,000 adult and kids coloring books available. If you're interested in this side hustle, exploring less saturated niches can help. For instance, while there are over 50,000 dog-themed coloring books, there are only about 30 on paintball, showing a big difference in competition. Side hustle number 3, Redbubble Print on Demand, POD. Let's move on to another side hustle that's become outdated, Redbubble Print on Demand. Although I've made money with this business model, it's changed significantly over the years, and unfortunately, not for the better. Redbubble is a large online marketplace, bringing in over $100 million in sales annually, but it doesn't create any designs itself. Instead, artists and creators contribute designs. To get started, you create a free artist account, upload your artwork, select products to feature it on, and Redbubble does the rest, printing, packaging, and shipping each item when it's purchased. You earn a commission, usually around 10 to 20%. You don't need to be a skilled artist to do this. I use Canva's drag and drop tools to make appealing designs, which works even if you're not a traditional artist. However, as a Redbubble seller, I can confirm that making money used to be easier on the platform. During the pandemic, Redbubble's sales soared as it became a popular destination for unique face masks. But since then, sales have been declining, and Redbubble recently introduced a new account fee for sellers, which is automatically deducted from their profits, meaning new sellers now make less money. If you're considering this side hustle, it's important to set realistic expectations. It's likely to only generate side income. To improve your chances, try expanding your reach by posting your designs on multiple print-on-demand sites, not just Redbubble. Other free options like CafePress, TeePublic, and Zazzle can help boost visibility. If you're aiming for significant earnings from print-on-demand, consider setting up your own store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Shopify. Side hustle number 4. AI-generated kids story videos. Let's look at another outdated online business idea. AI-generated kids story videos. On YouTube, you'll find plenty of tutorials on using AI-generated art to make kids' videos. Kids' videos often rack up millions of views because children frequently rewatch them. Many of these tutorials suggest using AI tools, like ChatGPT, to write a story, then generating images with tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, adding simple animations in Canva, and finishing with an AI voiceover. While this approach may seem fun and easy, recent FTC regulations under COPPA limit YouTube's ability to collect data from users under 13, which in turn affects how much advertisers are willing to pay. As a result, YouTube pays much lower ad rates for kids' content. Typically, kids' content creators earn between 8 and 90 cents per thousand views, averaging around 30 to 50 cents, considerably less than the $4 average RPM for adult-targeted videos. So, a kid's story video with 100,000 views might only earn about $40, whereas a video for adults with the same views would earn closer to $400. So far, in this video you have learned the 4 outdated side hustles that you should not put an effort on preferably. These are Rain videos, blank books, Redbubble print on demand, POD, AI-generated kids story videos. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Now that we've explored the outdated online business ideas that could hinder your success, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a side hustle that didn't go as planned? What did you learn from that experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I believe we can all learn from each other's journeys. If you found this video insightful and are eager to discover more tips and strategies for building a profitable online business, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus. Make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're all about helping you succeed, and your support means the world to us. I can't wait to see you in the next video.